Hello friends, in this video I would like to share about overview of angel broking mobile app. First of all, if you would like to open the account with angel broking, just enable the description. There you can see a link which will take you to angel broking account opening page. There you can just simply give your name, mobile number, city, and you will get an OTP. You can see here name, mobile number, city. Then you just press take me ahead. It will directly take you to angel broking account opening page. Account opening is completely free with angel broking. Now we can see angel broking app overview. I am opening the app. Now app is opened. In the front view you can see watch list, portfolio, order, funds and research. Okay, I just go through each page. In watch list we can add stock like whatever stock you like to see. IOC I am putting. It will come, just press on it. Just select cash and see it will add. Like that we can add the stock which you would like to follow. And if you want to see index fund, that all things you can see here, equity market, all this thing. Now we will go to portfolio. Portfolio page will give our portfolio holdings. Whatever holdings we have, we can see it in portfolio. Currently I have only NOCIL. Then in order book, if you place an order, that will directly come in order book. Once it is executed, it will be available in trade book. Then you can see the day position of that trade. If it is intraday, we can see the profit and loss here. In fund page, will give our ledger amount balance, our trade account balance, and our trade limit, margin available, margin limit. All this thing will get it from the fund page. If you want to add fund, you can press on the add fund. It will take you to the page there you can give the enter the amount either through net banking or UPI or Google Pay. We can add the amount like that. If you want to withdraw, you can withdraw it. In research page, we will get recommendation given by angel broking with their service called ARQ, like intraday recommendation, short time. For the prime members, they will give recommendation commodity, currency. I just show you one thing. Intraday, I am clicking on this. Currently not available. Short time we can see here. In details, if you go, they will give us the what is the buy price they are recommending, stop loss what you have to put, target price, and just press on the buy. You can easily buy it in cash, futures and options. All this recommendation we can see here. This what they indicating is whatever recommendation they give, in that 290 are negative call, 2 for positive calls, means that was their success rate. Okay, now we can go to main menu. Here you can see 3 dots. There you have to press it. Here you can see contact us page. Through this, if you press on this page, it will directly take you to your phone to their customer care number, and we can do a phone trade. Okay, then in dashboard we can get a quick view of our holdings, our trade balance, all this thing. I just click and show you later. In trade, you can do all this buy, sell, all these details. Here you can see all the future and option details. ARC advisory means their recommendation, ARC service, all this thing will be available under this menu. If you want to invest on the mutual funds, you can go with this option. All the reports like our transaction history, all this thing we can get from reports. If you want to give any feedback, you can get it here. If you want to refer and earn, they will provide cash vouchers. So if you refer someone, and currently available offers and rewards will be available with this one. Now I will go with each option. I am just pressing on the dashboard. You can see here my limit, trade limit, my portfolio health check, everything we can see here. This we can easily customize by pressing on this icon. If you want to see my positions, we can just give okay, it will get added up here, so it can be easily customized. What you prefer we can give. Again, I am going to main menu. Trade book I am just showing. Here you can see buy or sell directly we can do it here. Then limits we can see here. Follow fund offer for sale we can see here. Initial public offering you can see here. SIP if you want to start you can do it here. SIP order book you can see here. Then I am just minimizing that one. Then ARC advisory I just show you. ARC research they will show here. Then if you want to become a premium member, we can go with this option, Angel Platinum offer option. We have to enable that, you can do it here. If you want to try ARC, you can use this option. Then mutual fund recommendation in ARC, you can see here. Portfolio score, if you want to see here, we can. If you want to improve that all things, you can do it here. Our portfolio, whatever recommendation we are buying through ARC, it will reflect here. Then if you want to go with the mutual funds, if you want to do lump sum or SIP investment, you can do it here. Then whatever order we have, that you can see it here. New fund offer details will be available under this one. Then reports, we can see it here. Holding, security holding details, transaction reports, research report, even calendar, everything we can see it here. Referral and which I already mentioned. You can refer your friends, just client code you can put it here. We will get a details, we can give the number of our friends, all these things, then submit. Then Angel Broking customer care will directly contact them and try to open the account, and we will get a voucher of 500. This offer will vary time to time. And if you want to modify the choose language, if you want to go to choose language, and we can select Hindi or English for this app. Okay, this is overview about the app. If you have any questions, please comment on the comment line. I can help you out, and I will do video of each subject separately, so it will get a more clarity. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you want to open the account, please use my link. Thank you.